So glad y'all made it. We're on time. Schedule says we all start up our engines and line up at 9:10 for a 9:15 departure. But of course, as always, we're going to go 1 hour to our first stop, which will be a 20-minute bathroom stop, and the Tekkas are meeting us there. That is at McDonald's at the Day Street off-ramp of the 60 freeway.
Well, I don't think we're driving fast enough to be straight up. Is Jack Walter? I thought he was known as the, the speed demon of the club, but it wasn't happening for me. We need to pick it up.
Commentary is we're going too slow today.
Yes.
It says Cholla Cactus Garden. So as you look over onto the vista, you'll notice the beautiful land formation.
But wait a second.
I said, get over here and turn the camera off, please.
Get it in video. That
What?
recall. It wasn't.
Don't touch the camera.
Mr. President, step right over here. All right, so we got a half an hour to enjoy the desert here. Then we got about 15-20 minutes to one more stop, which is called the Oasis Visitor Center. And you are free to stroll about and enjoy the exhibits about the desert there, better than the last one. It's also the park headquarters. And there's like a 20-minute nature walk through the Oasis there if you care to do this.
2007, and I still love it.
How many miles?
About 80,000.
And how long you been a member of the vet set?
Well, 10 years now, and been a real good thing. Met a lot of neat people, came for the cars, and discovered the people, and that's what we like about it, love about it.
All right, cool.
President of the vet set for now. There's ex-president right there.
Until we have the next election, then you'll
until I'm
re-elected.
impeached. We are in Joshua Tree with how many other cars? Like
16.
16 other cars. So very nice turnout. Beautiful weather. It's about 80 degrees with a breeze. And shoot, what else? That's about all I got, Bob.
Right? Joshua Tree, we're taking off. Check out the view. How pretty is this? Cool. All right, Jack's leading the pack again. It's kind of chilly out here. 47 degrees.
Check this out. How nice is this? As we gather the group, another beautiful day in Southern California, Joshua Tree, the desert. Corvette's in front, Corvette's in back. Start in the front, work my way in the back. Trail. We're someplace. As we come in for a landing.
Did you sit? Good girl. Speak, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Lay down. Good girl.